everybody, I am Maureen Dinkins and today I'm going to show you how to properly move from Chaturanga into upward facing dog and then into downward facing dog. How the feet should be placed, where the hands should be placed, and whether or not to drop the knees. So let's do a beginner version first and then we'll move on to a more advanced version. We'll start from a standing position. Bring your feet together and just inhale, bring your hands up over your head, press your palms together. Exhale, bring your hands to the floor, kiss your knees. Inhale, look forward. Now from here, you're going to step back into a plank position. From plank, you want to make sure your shoulders are over your hands, your hips are not up. You want to create a straight line from the heels to the crown of your head. On an exhale, you're going to bend your elbows in towards your body, but you're not using them as the brakes. They're just close to the body. Keeping the legs straight. Exhale. Lower down. Hover over the mat. Your chin is almost touching the mat. Then roll to the tops of your feet. So basically just your toes are touching the mat. Your wrists are slightly behind your shoulders. You're arching your back. You're squeezing your butt. You're pulling yourself forward. And your gaze is upward. Now using your core, tuck those toes, lift your butt, and press back into down dog. And in down dog, you want to spread your fingers wide, tuck your chin into your chest, lift your hips, and drop your heels, basically making a triangle with your body and the mat. And that's your transition from Chaturanga to up dog into down dog. Now, what if you're not strong enough to do Chaturanga without your knees? How should you be doing it? So, if you want to inhale, come into a plank position again. Get yourself into that strong plank position. Before you lower, you're going to drop your knees and lower your hips. So now you kind of have a straight line. Look forward, because if you're looking down, you're rounding like this. You want to keep a nice, straight, strong posture. Look forward, bend the elbows in towards your body. Lower till your chin almost touches the mat. Then use your hands to pull yourself forward, using your toes to push. My legs are still down. If you can lift your legs, go ahead. If not, leave them down. Wrist placement is the same whether your legs are lifted or not. Shoulder blades back, look up. Then you can come back to your knees, flip your toes so the pads of your toes are on the mat, and then press back into down dog. And in down dog again, spread those fingers wide, tuck your chin to your chest, let your shoulders move away from your ears, lift your hips, and press down through your heels. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask, and I'd be happy to make a short little video answering your questions about any postures that you have in a yoga sequence. I hope you have a great day. Happy yoga journey.